Hello students, welcome back to Future Foundation. Students, in this class of 3D, we will learn how to find equation of plane for different cases. So let's start the class. So write down the heading first, plane. In this, we will write a plane is a surface in which line segment joining any two points lies completely on it. Okay students, what I'm saying, understand this using this figure. Say if this is a plane and there are 2 points in this plane. If this line is if a line segment joining these 2 points is this, then this line must be inside this plane. This line completely lies in this plane, right? So every point on this segment is also lying in this plane. This means, okay, now we have to find equation of plane for different cases. So first of all, for having equation of plane, we can have first case the normal to the plane and its distance from the origin. And this particular case we can generally, and for this particular case we generally named it as normal form. If anyone is asking for normal form, then he is asking for the equation of plane uh, having a normal and distance from origin, right? Now second case, a point through which normal is passing, plane is passing, and are normal to plane, right? Means for second case we need uh, a point through which a plane is passing and a normal vector. And for third case we need 3 non-collinear points through which plane is passing, right? So in this class we will discuss only normal form. So make the heading normal form. So let us draw figure first. Let's say this is a plane, quadrilateral is representing plane, and our origin, and an origin O is here, and this is point P, and having position vector R, and say this is N, point N, joining O and P by segment OP, right? And P vector is nothing but R vector, and we are taking R vector in the direction from P to O, right? So this is from P to O, and this is Pn vector directed from P to N, and this is NO vector directed from N to O, and this is the distance d from origin to N. So NO vector becomes dn cap if n vector is a vector perpendicular to plane and parallel to NO vector, right? Now we have to find equation of this plane. From figure we can say PO vector is equal to PN vector plus NO vector, okay? Also Pn vector dot No vector is equal to 0, because Pn vector and No vector are perpendicular, and in perpendicular case dot product is 0, right? So Pn vector is nothing but No vector minus Po vector dot No vector is equal to 0, and No vector is nothing but T n cap minus Po vector is R vector dot T n cap is equal to 0. So this becomes T n cap minus R vector dot n cap is equal to 0, reason being T cannot be 0. Okay, so this will become T minus R dot n is equal to 0, or R dot n cap is equal to D, right? This is the required form, or this is normal form of plane. So here D is distance from origin. Okay. Now this n cap is the unit vector in the direction of normal vector to the plane. Okay. Also this is vector form. If I am interested in finding Cartesian form, then we can write this r vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, and n vector is equal to ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap, right? So n cap will become ai cap plus bj cap plus ck cap on root over a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, so equation of plane or normal form in this case will be x ax plus by plus cz on root over a square plus b square plus c square is equal to d. Okay, or ax plus by plus cz is equal to d root over a square plus b square plus c square, right? So if for any equation of plane there is a coefficient of xyz other than direction cosines, then in right hand side there is a distance not from origin. If we are interested in finding the distance from origin for plane, then we have to write coefficient of xyz as direction cosines. Okay, so this thing we will see in questions. Let's start. Question 1 is find the equation of plane which is at a distance 4 over root 14 from origin and is normal to the vector 2i cap plus j cap minus 3k cap. Okay, so in this question distance from origin is given, that is d is equal to 4 upon root 14, right? And normal vector is also given. Normal vector is 2i cap plus j cap minus 3k cap, but in equation we need n cap. So here n cap is 3 2i cap plus j cap minus 3k cap upon root over 2 square plus 1 square minus plus minus 3 square, which is 2i cap plus j cap minus 3 k cap on root 40, right? So equation of plane in this case is r dot n cap is equal to d. Here r cap is r cap or xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap dot n cap is 2I cap plus j cap minus 3k cap on root 14 is equal to d. D is 4 by root 40. So root 14 cancel out. So this will become 2x plus y minus 3z is equal to 4. This is required answer. Okay, now let us take other question. Question is find the distance of the plane 2x minus y minus 2z minus 9 is equal to 0 from the origin. So students, we can clearly see in this equation coefficient of x, y, z are not direction cosines, right? So from r dot n cap is equal to d, we can write it as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap dot 2I cap minus j cap minus 2k cap by root over 2 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 2 square is equal to 9 upon root over 2 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 2 square. What we are doing? We are dividing both sides by root over 2 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 2 square. Okay. In fact, this will become n cap. Okay. Now this will become n cap. So in RHS, it is distance from origin. So this is r dot n cap is equal to 9 upon 3, which is 3. So this is d. Let us take one more question. Find the vector equation of a line passing through 3I cap minus 5j cap plus 7k cap and is perpendicular to the plane 3x minus 4y plus 5z is equal to 8. So students, for equation of line in space, we need a point through which line is passing and a vector parallel to the line. And as we know that a normal vector perpendicular to the plane, we can see clearly from equation of plane. So in this case, normal vector is nothing but 3I cap minus 4j cap plus 5k cap. Okay, so here also according to question, a vector parallel to the line is n vector, right? So for having equation of line, we need a vector parallel to the line and a point through which line is passing, and also the point through which line is passing is what? 3 minus 5 7. Okay, so equation of line is r vector is equal to e vector, which is 3 minus 5 7 plus lambda times b vector, and b vector is n vector, which is 3 minus 4, 5, right? Or r vector is equal to 3i cap minus 5j cap plus 7k cap plus lambda times 3i cap minus 4j cap plus 5k cap, where lambda belongs to r, real numbers, ठीक है? और in Cartesian form it will become x minus 3 upon 3 is equal to y plus 5 upon minus 4 is equal to z minus 7 upon 5, right? So students, let's meet in next class. Till then, bye bye, take care.